In this video, I'll be solving the fourth part of first problem of UPSC Civil Services Mains 2022 Statistics Paper 1. So we are given T1 and T2 are two unbiased estimators of theta. So that means expectation of T1 is equals to expectation of T2 is theta. And we are also having variance of T1 is equals to variance of T2. Now we need to show that correlation of T1 comma T2 is greater than or equal to 2E minus 1, where E is the efficiency of each estimator. So first of all, like we were given variance of T1 is equals to variance of T2 is equals to sigma square. And suppose let's say this V min is the minimum variance, like the minimum possible variance for any unbiased estimator, like for any unbiased estimator of theta. So that means like for example, like CRLB is like one such possible variance for like minimum possible variance for any unbiased estimator of theta. So now like if I consider the efficiency, so the efficiency E of each estimator is nothing but minimum variance by variance of T1 or variance of T2, both are same here, which is sigma square. And we also have to note that this E is always in between 0 and 1. So now like if I consider the estimator T bar, which is T1 plus T2 by 2, the mean of T1 and T2. So we can check that like this T bar is expectation of T1 plus expectation of T2 by 2, which is expectation which is nothing but theta itself. So T bar is unbiased estimator of theta, plus now like if I find the variance of T bar, so that is nothing but variance of T1 plus variance of T2 plus 2 times covariance of T1 comma T2 whole divided by 4. So that is nothing but 2 sigma square plus 2 times covariance of T1 comma T2 by 4, and that is nothing but sigma square plus covariance of T1 comma T2 by 2. So that is our variance of our unbiased estimator with T1 plus T2. So now this variance should be at least greater than or equal to this minimum variance. That means the sigma square plus covariance of T1 comma T2 by 2 is always greater than or equal to the minimum variance. So now like if I divide, so that means sigma square plus covariance of T1 comma T2 is greater than or equal to 2 times the minimum variance. That means 1 plus covariance of T1 comma T2 by sigma square is greater than or equal to 2 times the minimum variance by sigma square. Now if we see this sigma square, I can write this sigma square as variance of square root of variance of T1 into variance of T2, because both are sigma squares. And if we see minimum variance by sigma square is nothing but E. So that means 1 plus this covariance of T1 T2 by square root of variance of T1 into variance of T2, that is nothing but correlation of T1 comma T2. So that is greater than or equal to 2 times the efficiency. So correlation of T1 comma T2 is always greater than or equal to 2 times efficiency minus 1. So that's what they have asked us to show. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.